beautiful people. This is your girl Shainestee, and I am back with another video. No one has told you this today. You are amazing. So y'all, I've been wanting to try this Revlon brush for a while now. I just was a little hesitant because of the texture of my hair, but you know, I decided why not. Let's see how this does on 4C hair. So to prep my hair, I did use Miel Organics conditioning shampoo. I followed up with Aussie 3-minute deep conditioner, and then a lot of body blowout lotion, just so that I could get some protection and sleek results.
Breathe me in, taste my words, let me blow your mind. I'll take you far, far away. I'll make you feel alright. You gotta crave it and chase it until you're close enough to taste it. I can give you what you need. I can give you what you need.
Y'all, so these are my final results. I am loving this. Like, my hair has grown so much in the last couple of months. I did use the high heat setting. In the beginning I did try the low, it just wasn't working, but the high, it gets me there. And it seemed like as I moved to the next section, it became quicker for me. So I really like the results. Like, I got this on Amazon for like $40, y'all, and I have kinky hair. I really didn't struggle with getting it across. I was a little worried because of these like bristles, but I mean, it's fine. And some of the hair, I had a little bit of hair like this much comes out, but keep in mind I've kept my hair up for like 2 to 3 weeks at a time before I wash it, and even though my hair is thick, it is fine. So that's normal for me, but I'm okay with this. Like, this works for me. Let me know what dryer do you use, or if you tried this one. I saw that $400 one. Your girl is not spending $400 on a dryer. I don't see it happening right now. So in the meantime, I'm gonna make do with this handy dandy thing right here. This is magic, you know. But once again, thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed the video, and until next time.